Okay, welcome back guys to the channel. So this time I'm at Westquarter Glen in Falkirk. So I'm going to take a walk down here. There's a waterfall down here, as you can probably hear. It's a lovely morning, or afternoon I think. The afternoon now, but there's the entrance to the waterfall, down the side of the water. I'm just going to go along here and have a look over the bridge, see what it looks like. Because this is my first time here. I seen this on Tik Tok, somebody posted a waterfall here, so I thought I'd come and have a look. And there's the top of the waterfall. It's running no bad today, it's no overflowing. It's not too bad. So I'm going to get away down there, have a look around about, see if I can take any pictures. So I'll start heading down. And this is a wee path that will lead me down to the waterfall. Everything's up, it's nice and green today. The foliage is looking good. And there we go, there's a nice wee view, nice wee waterfall. As you can see, there's a walkway up the top there. I'm just having a wee quick look about, see what I can do, and then I'll get set up. I'm sure there's a way doing that right. So let's get set up. That's me set up, so I'm doing landscape. I'm back again and I'm F11. I'm going to go up a shutter speed to 13 seconds, I'm sure. And then I'll take a picture of the waterfall, because the highlights on the waterfall are a bit. So we'll take this picture right in the centre. That should do for that shot. So I'm going to go down 4th of a second, so I can get a bit of movement in the waterfall. Take that picture again. Okay, it's just a bit blown out of the bottom, so I'm going to go up to 5th of a second. And the sun's just slightly hitting that waterfall. A bit better now. 6th of a second. And I'll merge all these together and I'll take the best one. I'm going to focus now, focus on these ferns here. So I'm F11, 0.4 of a second, ISO is 15, I'll take that picture. You see the water at the bottom of the waterfall there is blown out, but I've got one that's not blown out, so I'm going to use that. Now I'm going to go to the top of the waterfall. I'll focus up here, take this picture. It's okay. So I'll merge all them together. So I've changed spots now. I'm going down, portrait shot, as you can see. The first focus point again is going to be down here at the ferns. Move it down to the ferns. I'll focus here first. 0.4 second, F11. As you can see, it's a bit blown out at the bottom of the waterfall. Going to go up to 5th, take that picture once I get to the waterfall from there. Centre. No bad, but I'll go to a 6th of a second now. Take that picture again. Okay. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to head down to the water's edge here, because I think that's enough for that shot. There's my wee camera set up there, my bag's on the tree. Probably need to put it on my back, take it with me. So I'm set up again here. I'll just pause that, unpause it, it stopped working, it's went to sleep. So I'll put it off, switch it back on, and start again. It switches itself off. Technology, eh? We're back on. So here we go. 6th of a second. F11. Got shock controller there to remove if you want to see it. There we go. Nice wee shock controller left by somebody. I'm not going to remove it. I'll remove it in Photoshop. So anyway, we're going to sort this. We're F11 again. ISO is 50. I'm going to focus right there. Take that picture. Going to take another one. Going to take another one. There are these wee weeds here, plants, whatever you want to call them. Take that one. There we go. There's a pity about that. Wee shot control here. So we've took 2 shots just now. We're going to go up to these trees here, take another shot. Focus there, take that. Okay. That's the 3 shots for that waterfall. I'm going to move down there somewhere and get a shot. Looking back up to the waterfall. First, I don't know whether to take another shot here, like a panel, so that the water's got somewhere to go. We'll place the waterfall on the left hand side of this shot, so it's flowing down the river. Obviously I don't want to just have it flowing nowhere, as you can see with the shot here. So it's the same settings again. Take that shot on the tree there. There we go. Change it again. Waterfall, still 6th of a second, 6 seconds, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so going a 10th of a second now, so it's nose blown out. New highlights. You don't want that happening. Can you recover your highlights? So it's working okay. So I think I might just go in a wee bit more. Go in here to make a bigger image, about there maybe, so the water gets somewhere to go. I'm going to take one more of the trees in the background there. My focus point right there. That'll do it. And I'll stitch all them together. Right, I'm going to move down there now, see what else we can capture. So I'll set up here. I don't think I'll get a shot here. I think we'll pause this for now. So there's not much there. I might need to go down low here to where these wee leaves are. Get a better picture if we down low, it's a bit more. It's a lot better. I think I might need to put my 17-40 on. Get this shot. Yeah, I'll be able to get a good shot. It's a nice wee waterfall. It's worth a wee joy. I don't know if there's anywhere down that way right enough. I think there's one down there. But we'll go down there later. I might try and get down this water here. I'll leave the camera and I'll grab it when I'm down there, so I don't take it with me if I'm falling. Can't afford another camera than now. That's us down, so didn't fall in. Yeah, but I think the shot's about here somewhere. Maybe a portrait shot or something. So I'll try that. Grab this camera now and bring it down with me. Check my footing. Don't want it fall. That's it. About there. A wee bit slippy. It's a wee bit slippy now because of the greenery, obviously. Look at that sky, yeah. Cameras everywhere. Sorry about that. But it's a nice wee scene. We'll get back to it now. Try and get something set up. Got the shots. There we go. we're back. Just straighten up slightly. And let's go there. So we'll unpause this. We'll keep recording. For this shot, I'll keep it to the left. Waterfall, so got to try and get these wee green leaves incorporated into this shot. 10 seconds, F11. Focus on the wee leaves first. Take that picture. Then we're doing it 6 a second. The waterfall. Take that picture. Not too bad. I don't. So we're going to take one there, and then we come down here to the rocks and focus here. I think I'll need to go to portrait mode as well, and then go down a wee bit slightly lower on the next shot. I've took a couple of shots here, portrait mode, orientation. I've added in these wee leaves, weed or something, whatever they call them, and had the waterfall in the centre, and I've had it on the right, and it's working on the right better than the left because of where these leaves are, I think. So we'll get this set up, take some shots, and see if there's anything we can incorporate in this shot. Right, so I've moved down now, down the river, on the other side of the water, so I've walked right over the bridge, right round about. I'm going to put this up. Got the boys under the waterfall, as long as they stay up there. It seems to be quite nice here, there's a nice reflection up there. And I'll get that in, hopefully. The wee rapids here at the front, and then the reflection. Just get set up. I've got water. I might even jump into Kelpies the way back. Who knows? I'm going to go in here. It might be slippy. Hopefully I don't fall. Right, just turn the camera on. Oh, I'm going to bring you your way, mate. I can bring it over. I'll show you what I'm talking about. As you can see, there's a nice reflection there. Turn this on. Let's record. Unpause it. So, here's the screen. Okay, screen's there. I need to focus this, I think. Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom out a wee bit. Look. So I'll basically about there. Oh, that's what I want. And I want the rapids in plus the reflection. Right, I'll record this, so I'm recording it with 3 cameras at one time. So this image is split into 2, the top half there, and then you've got the bottom half, and you've got a beautiful reflection there. And I'm going to take some shots, and then we'll see F8, 0.5 of a second for these wee waterfalls here at the bottom. Okay, totally different. We've got 2 images split in 2. I like that reflection there at the top. I'm going to focus in the centre now. And then it splits. The waterfall looks a wee bit skew with, but I'll straighten that up in processing. We're up to the waterfall now. Still 0.5 a second. F8. Might need to go up. Let's shutter speed slightly. That's down, that's up. There we go. F4. 4 seconds. F4. F8, 4 seconds. Okay. I'm going to do a landscape shot here now. So that's my landscape. I'm not actually much of a landscape here. Not that good, so that's a wee dark. Not much that I can do. I'll turn it back to portrait and I'll move up slightly because I want to get that low reflection. See what we can get from there. I've zoomed in, 10 seconds, F8. And I'll focus first here on the left hand side on the bottom, the foreground. 0.3 a second, F8. That blowing up there, F11. Try to get to the rock in the centre here. That focus on this wee rock. 0.3, F11. Not too bad. I'll focus up here at the top on the left hand side since it we jumped. I'll try to get to the top of the waterfall. 13 seconds. So it shouldn't be blowing out to them. F10, 10 seconds. F11, F10, 15 seconds, 20 seconds now. That looks okay for the bottom of the waterfall. You can see where the sun's coming in, hitting the top of the waterfall. So go back down now. Zoom up slightly. We can incorporate some of this waterfall. So I think I'll do through here. And that's enough images for the day. And we'll see. It's very good, it's very good. I'll let you see. There we go. I'm going to start heading up the hill and over the fence. Excuse me. There we go. Just hop over this wee fence. A nice wee scene there. Take a quick picture. Right, that's me. I'm stopped in at the Kelpies. I'm only wanting one picture here. No wanting too many. A wee long exposure maybe. But it turns out I'll let you see it. So these are the two horses. I'm hiding the sun behind his head. We'll take a shot here and see what we can get. So for this shot, I'm just going to hold this ND grad. It's not an ND grad, I don't think it's ND. Just a grad that I pulled out my bag. So I'll just start that wee sky wee touch. We'll see how it goes.